smart city matter, there were three stretches where CCP was supposed to report to the court. As far as stretch near the police headquarters is concerned, they made a statement today that they have already started repairs as of now and the work is going on. As far as other two stretches are concerned, the matter is fixed in the next week for the purpose of finding out as to who is supposed to do this work. The road near the Joggers Park, the CCP was saying that it is the PWD who is maintaining it. But it being a CCP road, it is for CCP to maintain the road. If they can't do it, they have to request the PWD for work or repairs that is required to be carried out at this stretch. So the CCP is supposed to report to the High Court again on this stretch also. Further, the issue came up about the road at Rivandar. As far as that road is concerned, we also told the court that we will take up urgent repairs of that road also. Directions have been already issued by the smart city to repair that road. That work also will start immediately.
Sir, why CCP has come into the picture?
Because these three stretches of road are not subject matter of smart city. As far as road that is there at Joggers Park, this is not subject matter of smart city. Similarly, the road at as far as headquarters, police headquarters are concerned, that was completed by the smart city, but it was opened by CCP for drainage purpose. The smart city work are concerned, which we have already submitted, where we are going to carry out the repairs. The deadline is 15 days.